Racing Jazz is started. We have Reclamador, break quick, let us start. Moving up, power of the wind, then on the outside, do it, David. Masters degree in the middle, Looney Tune, Marcos Empire. Winner take all, fly, Aday fly, decent proposal. Blondie Budge, Sunday Street, and alam mo na yan. And going along for the first turn, we have Looney Tune, do it. David is on the outside, and next song then is Power of the Wind. Alongside comes Master's Degree. Then next online now is Marcos Empire. Reclamador, winner take all, fly. Aday fly, alam mo na yan, Blondie Budge. Then followed over by Decent Proposal, while Sunday Street is still racing and last. Back to the leader, we have Do It, David and Looney Tune are fighting out for the lead. 4 lengths further back in third comes Power of the Wind. Then next online is Master's Degree. Moving up now what the yells, that is Fly. Aday Fly, Marcos Empire, winner take all. Reclamador now moving up is Blondie Budge. Alam mo na yan comes next, Decent Proposal. While Sunday Street is still racing and last as they swing for home. We have Looney Tune by Orlenka. Moving up on the outside is Fly, Aday Fly, Reclamador, Marcos Empire. We are about 100 meters of the race. We have Fly, Aday Fly, followed by winner take all, Reclamador, and finally it's Fly, Aday Fly. Close between winner take all and Reclamador. Then comes Looney Tune.